Hello, I'm Wolu Chukwudi, a participant in MMM Guidance School Nigeria Batch 110. Today, I'll be talking about the ideology of MMM, how MMM works, rules of MMM, and benefits of MMM. MMM means Avoiding Mondial Movement, a global community of financial aid and donation. It was founded by the great Russian mathematician Sergei Navratil in 1989. Since then, MMM has evolved over time and has become stronger. The ideology of MMM. In today's world, it's inhumane, it's unfair, it's unjust. Money rules the world, and the money is not for the people. The money is being controlled by bankers, politicians, governments, and millionaires. People are just servants and slaves and contented with it. Bankers work less, but they live better life because they are the operators of money. They have power over money. What is money? Money is a circulation tool or a measure of labor. Must it be earned honestly with sweat? Must we work so hard for us to earn money? All our lives we've worked for someone. He takes power and health from us and simply throw us away. That's the reality of the whole world, right? Why? It's not right. It's unfair. It must not be. Maybe we are equal in our work rights, but not in our earning. Money is not a measure of labor. It's bond and felt and durable, unbreakable chain which holds the slave in a slavery system. It's abnormal that we work hard for money and someone just prints it. There's no justification for this state of affairs. Money is simply printed to anyone content. Bank is a financial pyramid. It doesn't have enough money to pay all its debtors, as it will never have. The Federal Reserve is top of it. They create money at any amount they want. The lower level of the global pyramid are the central bank of different countries. All other local national banks are situated on an lower level. Many people are issued bank loans at multiple interest rates. They cannot pay their credit. The debt issues are real, but the debts are virtual, only on written paper. The number of depositors is larger than the number of creditors, and they will never come for their money at the same time. That's why panic is dangerous for banks. 90% of their money is future. Debtor is a bank slave for ages, a slave of this awful monstrous cannibal financial system. Bank makes so much profit and give depositors profit of 8%. Financial apocalypse. Only this can break us from the chain and save us from century-old slavery. We are not slaves, we are people who choose freedom. With MMM, financial apocalypse is inevitable. MMM is a financial institution in the world that honestly and directly admits being a pyramidal scheme. It does not lie. It gives human a reviving and awakening elixir of truth from first stage. It's a global mutual aid fund fighting financial slavery. It brings together those who declare war against feds and banks and decide to win the war. People in this community help each other. They provide fair ground, they eliminate financial slavery. And in MMM, people only pledge with their spare money. It's based on principle of reciprocity, benevolence, and gratitude. Welcome to MMM. Together, we are powerful. We are changing the world. Financial apocalypse is inevitable. How does MMM work? In MMM, people agree without guarantee and promises to help each other with money, just like because they want to. Assistance provided transformed into Marvel, a virtual currency in MMM which grows at the rate of 30%. The only thing MMM participants require is to be honest and kind to one another. In MMM, transaction can be operated in Marvel or in Bitcoin. These are virtual currency. MMM Bitcoin idea has created a free and fair financial system and make it possible for us to establish a significant change in modern world. There is no central account in MMM. All money are in bank accounts of participants themselves. People transfer to each other directly. There is no intermediary. MMM only regulates the process. Technically, how does it work is you register, you declare interest to provide help in your personal office. After that, your account will be rewarded with a Mavro. The Mavro start growing at the rate of 30% per month. Calculation of reward is done every Tuesday and Thursday at 00 GMT. Rules and regulation of MMM. Do not have multiple accounts. You can always provide help as many times as you want with one MMM account. Penalty is that you'll be permanently blocked. Do not share your email and bank detail with other members. Penalty, you'll be blocked from getting help unless till you get proof of identity. Rule number 3. Do not delay paying for your order. You'll be blocked. Do not edit banking detail or change password less than 15 days before getting help. Your get help will be delayed for 14 days. Do not click I refuse to make payment for more than once in a month. You will be blocked. Do not make deposit and fail to attach proof of payment. You will be blocked. Do not fail to confirm your order. You will be blocked. Do not allow your family member to provide help more than you if they have more than the amount you provided help to donate. Let them do it through your personal office. Penalty will be blocked. Always remember to write your letter of happiness after getting help. Maximum day to write letter of happiness is 3 days after getting help. If not, you may be blocked. Benefits of MMM. Every participant gets 30% interest credited to them. Registration bonus for new participants are $20, $50, $100, depending on the amounts they pledge. See, you can see from $50 to $499, you get a $20 bonus. Those that pledge from $500 to $2,999 will get $50 bonus, and those that pledge from $3,000 off will get $100 bonus. Reward for providing help is imposed at the rate of 30% in a month. Referral bonus are given 10% of contribution for referring every new member. There is also guidance bonus. They are multi-level bonuses. The bonus is paid of 30%. You may take it 2 weeks after the referral has provided help and got its help confirmed. MMM Extra Program. One can take part in this only when one has created a provide help. The participant will receive 0.67% per day automatically. The next day one creates one provide help. Total growth 4 to 30 days times 0.67% per day is 4 to 20%. There is also bonuses for video of happiness, 10% for quality videos selling the idea of MMM, 5% for video showing your face, and 1% for not showing your face. MMM has made economic recession in the world. With MMM we can fight the age-long slavery. With MMM together we change the world. Long live Seji Magnidi, long live MMM, long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you, my mentor. Thank you, student. Thank you, everyone.